The Kingswood was a popular compact car in the 1970s. It was named after a city in Virginia and was introduced in 1975 as a midsize car. It replaced the Venture and gained a lower price tag than its predecessor. The Kingswood had a V8 engine and came stKalianrd with four-wheel drive. It was available in 2 colors and had a fiberglass hardtop option. The Kingswood comes with 3 doors, 5 trim options and 6 transmission choices. Chevy produced over 300,000 of these cars between 1975 and 1977, making it one of the most popular models of its time. The Kingswood had strong sales numbers in its first year. Chevy increased production at its plant in Geelong, Victoria, to meet high demand for the new vehicle. The Kingswood received several upgrades during its lifespan. These included power windows, seats, rear seat belts, AM/FM radio and an anti-lock braking system. Chevrolet also made several available options on the Kingswood such as a tinted glass option and Pirelli tires. In 1978, Chevy added a turbocharger to the V8 engine option which increased performance by 15%. The turbocharger added $250 to the cost of the V8 engine upgrade but increased fuel efficiency by 15% as well. The Kingswood had a strong reputation for comfort and reliability among owners. It earned an excellent score on crash tests according to Consumer Reports magazine. Plus, the car's interior felt roomy thanks to big windows and easy controls. The driver's seat was adjustable, providing a good driving position for different heights behind the wheel. Plus, there were 3 deep storage compartments which made it easy to stow items inside the vehicle. The rear seats could face forward for extra room behind the driver or fold down flat for access to the vehicle's trunk area. The Kingswood also came with 4-way power seating adjustments for all passengers so everyone could have an ideal seating position within the car. Several improvements were made to the Kingswood during its production run in the 1970s. A transmission advanced control system (TACS) option was added in 1976 which helped maintain vehicle speed while changing gears. A dual exhaust system became available in 1977 which gave the engine more sound while increasing performance by 9%. Chevy also made several changes to the interior components of the car such as an electric windshield wiper option and front seat height adjustments. They also replaced rubber bushings with aluminum ones which reduced noise from road debris hitting dashboard components. In 1978, Chevy made changes to the rear axle components for improved handling on curving roads which resulted in better control over the car during sudden stops or turns. The Kingswood was a comfortable, reliable and powerful car that has stood the test of time well considering how new it is now. Chevy made several improvements to this model during its short lifespan which pleased consumers and helped boost sales numbers even further. The model is still very popular today thanks to its comfortable yet powerful interior layout. Anyone who owned a Kingswood back then or recently will tell you that this is one of their favorite models. The Kingswood was a durable truck that could withstand a lot of wear and tear. The body was made out of sheet aluminum with fiberglass reinforcement throughout. This allowed the Kingswood to handle rough roads well without denting or destroying it. The frame kept the body secure even in dangerous situations, and it also allowed for large tires to help with grip and control. The suspension was also upgraded to improve comfort and control over rough roads. This made highways much more pleasant for drivers and passengers alike. All in all, that heavy-duty frame kept your truck running smoothly even after years of use. The Chevrolet Kingswood is a popular midsize car that was produced by General Motors from 1971 to 1997. The Kingswood was based on the A-body platform and offered a smooth ride and plenty of space for passengers and cargo. When it debuted in 1971, the Kingswood was the biggest, fastest, and highest trim truck on the market. It boasted a powerful V8 engine, smooth ride, and a classy exterior. In fact, many considered the Kingswood to be the perfect all-purpose vehicle. The Chevrolet Kingswood was one of the most popular trucks in history. It had a sturdy frame, a powerful engine, and an upscale interior complete with leather seats and wood trim. Many people liked how spacious the Kingswood interior was. It had plenty of room for passengers and cargo with enough headroom for tall adults. Plus, there was plenty of space in the back for adding beds or shelves. Plus, it came stKalianrd with automatic seat adjustments and a folding tailgate for easy access to your stuff inside. Many owners also appreciated how well their Kingswoods ran on fuel. These trucks are extremely fuel efficient compared to other vehicles of similar size and weight class. The Chevrolet Kingswood is an excellent truck that has thrived as a legend in American culture ever since its debut in 1971. It's one of the biggest selling trucks ever made thanks to its stellar fuel efficiency and luxurious interior design. For those reasons and others, this is one classic you don't want to miss out on. Customers loved the spacious interior of the Chevrolet Kingswood. The front bucket seats were heated which made chilly mornings much more bearable for drivers. There were also 4 adjustable cup holders built into the center armrests which made mealtime much easier for everyone in the car. The center console held two comfortable seat controls which made driving much more relaxing for passengers. There was also plenty of space inside the vehicle for storing luggage or supplies while traveling. Plus, both front doors opened wide, making loading and unloading much easier than in other vehicles. The Kingswood even came stKalianrd with an extra set of keys, so both sets of keys could be kept in the same place, making it even easier to drive around.